everybody, welcome to my channel. It's time for a Pusheen unboxing. This is the summer 2021 box. Next week I'm going to be unboxing their cat one, which is full of toys for cats. That's going to be very interesting because I'm introducing you to my 3 cats, Henry, Hazel, and Milo. But today we're just going to jump into the OG box. So the box is decorated with an ice cream cone and it says yum. So that's the general theme. On the inside you do have some sprinkles, Pusheen Box. The card that comes with, it says just being me. Features Pusheen with an ice cream sundae, and then a quick look at all the items that are included in this box. So we're going to start off with the t-shirt because I actually haven't looked at it. This is Pusheen with his friends eating ice cream. This is a nice green color, not too minty. So it's kind of more of like a light mid-tone green. Super cute, super soft. It says Ice Cream Fan Club, which I am definitely a part of that because I absolutely love ice cream even though I am lactose intolerant. So lately I've been going for more plant-based options, but this is adorable. Absolutely love it. And this is in a small, which is still a little bit big. All these clothes I feel like run a little bit big, and I think they do that on purpose so that it could fit the widest number of people, if that makes sense. The next product is some stickers. I love me some stickers. So there's one that features Pusheen with that same sundae that we talked about. There's one where she's in the ice cream cone. Sometimes I misgender Pusheen. I mean to say she, but sometimes I just say he. So if I just slipped up on that, sorry. Pusheen's also eating a popsicle and an ice cream sundae. So this is a set of 3 sheets of stickers, which is nice. I love stickers. I love stationery items. I think this is fun. Well, this was released as a spoiler a couple of weeks before the box actually shipped. My box is a little busted and Pusheen is kind of out of place from where he's supposed to be. But this is the vinyl toy for the box. It's a big ice cream truck with Pusheen eating an ice cream cone. I'm just double checking to make sure he's okay. He must have gotten out of his place during transit because this box doesn't come in anything other than wrapped in plastic. So I have had some issues with things coming broken. Not recently. I'd probably say like the first year of Pusheen Box was when I really had that issue. This vinyl toy is absolutely adorable. I love how big the ice cream truck actually is, and I like the attention to detail. So I'm happy about that. These are my favorite. They are exclusive to like the Pusheen boxes, and they tend to be very well thought out. The next thing we have is a really cute Pusheen apron. She's sitting there with her popsicles, her ice cream, just loving life, and it's a nice minty color with some pink stripes at the end. It's very thin. It's a little bit see-through, but it's really cute. Let me put it on. So you can kind of see it here. It's obviously definitely very wrinkly, but it is a cute item to have in the box. The quality of the shirt is obviously better than the quality of the apron. Moving right along, I think this box has a good number of larger items. This is a sundae glass, and it's absolutely adorable. It says just being me, and it's super cute. I am happy with it. I think it's a nice size and I could definitely see myself using this, but for now I'm putting all these items aside so that when my fiance and I finally move into a new place, we'll have a bunch of cute decor and stuff to use. Otherwise, I'm very accident prone, so I feel like I might drop it and then ruin it. And then the next one is a cookie jar. We've had similar jars to this. It's kind of like that plasticky feeling. It says Smart Cookie, features Pusheen with a cookie. Super cute. It's a nice size. I probably fill this up with trinkets, not actually like cookies, but I'm happy with it. I think it's adorable and it fits really nicely with the theme of this box. And we're gonna save the best one for last, so I'm gonna go with this item. This is a chalkboard. Super cute. I really love it. It has a stand, so you just slip this into the stand. I could see it being a little bit wobbly, hopefully not. Let's see what the little pamphlet says about this. Use this chalkboard for parties, recipes, or doodles. No chalk included, but that's fine. All right, last but not least, I did see this as a spoiler as well. This is a little Pusheen. I mean, it's not that little. This is a handbag, a little purse. Shaped funny. Kind of gotta give it some shape because it's been squished to fit in the box, but let me spruce this up. I thought it was a purse, but it might actually be a cooler. It's a cooler bag. Take your desserts on the go with this handy cooler bag. The reason I said it is because it has that like aluminum cooling feature. So it's super cute, and it does have the strap. This is like a same green from the same, it's not even a minty mid-tone. I don't even know how to describe this green, but really beautiful. I definitely love this. I think this is such a cute idea. I don't think personally I would use this as a cooler bag just because it's already so cute, and I don't ever really need to transport ice cream in that way. Maybe if it was like a little beach party, but then again, honestly, it's a little thin, so I'm not even sure how well the ice cream would hold up in here. So I feel like I would just use this as a little purse, and it's not that little actually. But this shape is very similar to some Betsy Johnson novelty bags that I do have. I did a whole video going through my entire crazy collection of handbags, and I feel like I could pull this off as a purse, you know? I mean, it's a little wrinkly, like I said. I'm gonna have to add some stuff to give it some shape. But I really like this item, and I really like this box as a whole. I think it was very strong. I think ice cream is the perfect theme for summer, even though we're already in August. Personally speaking, I'm ready for fall because this heat is something that I do not like at all. Sorry, there's an airplane up above. Enough rambling. I think that's pretty much it for this video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. Special thanks to my channel members for helping support my channel through difficult times. I've already mentioned this, but I have a new job, so it's just been hard kind of trying to upload enough videos and find time to edit them and all that stuff. So right now I'm doing videos once a week, trying to bump it up to twice a week. We'll see how that goes. But in the meantime, I love you guys. Thank you so much once again, and I will see you next time with another video. Stay safe out there. Bye.